Hello everyone, welcome to your reading for July 2019. It's summertime. Yes, it's summertime here where I am. So I'm really excited because I love July. It's my month, my birthday month also. So I do have the Tarot Apocalypse to give away. It's a beautiful, beautiful deck. I mean, it's amazing. Just all the cultures and the religions all together is so versatile. It's just amazing. So I'm really excited to do the readings this month with this deck, and I'm also giving you a chance to win one of these decks. So do comment if you want to win. Leave me a comment letting me know that you want to enter the giveaway, the competition, and I will be announcing the winner and choosing from the comment section. So for personal readings, you can go straight to my website. Up until the end of the month of June, I have a sale on the Bring Back X, the Love and Career reading, and also the Love Triangle. I think there's another one that is on sale. So if you really want to get a personal reading, this is the right time to do so and get that discount price. Also, you can go to my meditation channel and subscribe. Everything is in the description below this video. You have meditations, guided meditations, and also binaural beats if you enjoy meditating. Okay, so thank you so much, and let's begin with your sign. Hello Capricorn, welcome to your reading for July 2019. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. July 2019, Capricorn. Okay, coming out of sadness, rebuilding your heart, rebuilding your life, taking the lead to manifest better things in your life with the Tower card. Things are collapsing. Things, relationships, situations that don't stand the test of time, don't have a solid foundation. It's time for you to manifest here a better relationship. And there's a strong Aries here for some, because you being your own boss, the boss of your life. Okay, you taking that role, that you taking control of your life, and you are ready. With the Magician, you are ready. Okay, you've learned the lessons, even if they were not very good lessons that made you sad. Okay, it's time to come out of sadness and isolation. Nurture, go into nature and nurture yourself. This is self-love, self-care. Yes, doing things for you, Capricorn. Someone is trying to rebuild or causing disruption in your life, because their really intention is to, have you around, but they're causing disruption, so they're not good for you. But you have maybe this relationship had an abrupt ending, and they are trying to manifest you back. The Queen of Wands. So this is you getting back to yourself. You getting back and being determined. Okay, there's a lot of fire energy. The sun card is a Leo. Okay, so you may even have a Leo friend that can help you here come out of isolation. Positive thinking. Princess of Wands. So yeah, definitely you are starting something new in your life. Okay, but you have the World card reversed, so you may have to close a cycle here. You can't leave it open. Shut the door. The Moon in the past could be in a Cancer or Pisces, water signs, but the Moon is revealing and coming out of confusion about a situation. Could have been a revelation, could have been something that came out in the open. The Moon card is you getting in touch with your sensuality and your it's a very feminine energy also. The Tower reversed. Again, you've got the Tower card. You see yourself, you need to rebuild. Okay, the worst has gone and you've been through it. Now it's time to rebuild. Okay, pick yourself up. Eight of Swords. You're coming out of feeling trapped mentally about something or someone, even some of you struggling with mental health, or you have someone around you that is struggling with depression, or just feels that they unable to do things, they feel restricted, or you may be feeling restricted. It's time to get out of this, okay, Capricorn? Okay, so we've got exterior factors, Capricorn in July. Three of Swords, heartbreak. Some of you, you've just been in this love triangle. It's time to close this cycle, because you might be ending up falling back into this just for a one night. Temptation is there, okay, to basically break your face again in going into this, in this person that causes the heartbreak, okay. Someone is maybe seducing you in the near future, in July. Like I said, they're being manipulative. They want you, it's manipulation, because they're actually causing a disruption and they're not good for you. Even if you feel anxiety towards this person, or when they're around you, you know the vibe is not good, they're not good, okay? It's telling you, it's a sign, don't go there, even if you've been there before. The Empress. Okay, so emotionally you need to feel abundant, you need to feel confident, okay, because you are the Empress. Could have a Libra around you as well. Leo, strong. Also Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer, yeah. But I'm strongly feeling some of you, the ladies especially, or there's another woman here and you found out about this, or you just finding out that this person is treating you like plan B, okay? No longer being plan B for this person. Manifest better things. Make that decision. King of Pentacles, reverse, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This could also be you. Being confused and not knowing what to do. You may get bored quickly, you may need attention or feel like you need attention from this person. But I feel that someone is definitely very popular here. And you need to open your eyes to the other options that you have, because there is victory here for you. If you let go, especially of someone that is also quite materialistic, quite just not providing the stability that you need. For some Capricorns, this is you not providing someone the stability that they need, and just want attention from others, and just want yeah, and they view you as someone temporary because you only focused on your own gain, your own a little bit. Some of you may be dealing with a narcissistic person, or you need to, self-love is okay, but when you know you don't see anything and you put all of this attention on you and just on you, you need to also be able to focus on the other person's needs. Okay, or this could be the person you're dealing with doesn't focus on your needs. Queen of Wands, and we've got the King of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So the Seven of Cups is reversed. I'm sensing that this person is just really not ready. You've got the King of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. They put their finances first, they put their career first. And it's like they're hiding you, or you try to hide. There is 2 men for the ladies. With the Magician reversed. Sagittarius, Aries, Gemini energy. Some of you are lacking the patience to even manifest here a new beginning, and you're jumping into things, to relationships one after the other to close a gap. Okay, fill a gap. Or this is someone that you are dealing with because they really can be even temperamental, or they just don't really have patience to wait, and they could be a little bit manipulative. 5 of Swords reversed. This is someone that is playing the makeup and breakup game with you. What's the World card for Capricorn reversed? What's the Capricorn reverse? World cards. Okay, Queen of Cups reversed. So you're feeling that gap. Okay, you need closure. There's something that you're moving on, but is lacking. So there's a void. There's a void here. You could be missing a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You could be missing this emotional connection that you have or had with someone. Three of Pentacles. Okay, wanting to work it out. I feel some of you work online or travel a lot for work. And you crave their attention, or they crave your attention, especially online. 8 of Swords reversed. Yeah, there's some lack of clarity. You're needing to come out of this, maybe because the silent treatment is there. Okay, they gave you the cold shoulder, or they've lied to you. They're not speaking. Some of you, they're not speaking. 9 of Wands, they're standing their ground with that decision. You see yourself, you want to get through this Tower moment and rebuild. And the 4 of Cups. There has to be major change and transformation here. Some of you are speaking to a Scorpio, or Scorpio wanting to rebuild with you, but I think the Death card is really putting an end to the situation and stop just focusing on one thing when you have other options. You have the King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces here with that High Priestess, but I think this person is not talking, especially a Scorpio. Judgment. Okay. Rebirth. The Death and Judgment. With an end comes a new beginning. Okay. So focus on that new beginning. You've got the Page of Swords, and someone is really not expressing their emotions, but they feel hurt. They are hurt. There's heartbreak here, but there's that energy of reckless, quite immature, emotionally mature. Is someone that is a bit unpredictable as well with their actions. It's like their actions, they don't speak much. They do things that you don't really get why they do it, and very dominating. Why is this Empress here? Some of you are wishing to get pregnant, okay? The Empress, the Princess of Pentacles in this deck is the pregnant. But obviously we know giving birth to something new is your wish. Giving birth even. The Empress. Giving up on that. Lacking of commitment. Some of you wanting to start a family, but you're lacking the commitment from this person. You need to stop. Some of you need to stop torturing yourself, your mind, about a situation, about when you relax, that's when things start to happen. Because if you overthink things and put pressure, because if they have to happen, they will happen. Okay, it's like you forcing a thought, yeah, it could be you that you trying to manipulate here a situation, even unconsciously, because you really want it, but it's not helping. The more you do, it looks like this person or what you want doesn't come through. So you need to rebuild yourself first. And it's like it feels like you have to do it on your own. You have to, yeah. Especially having to do, because this lead card is talking to me, saying, I'm on my own. Why is this King of Pentacles here with 2 swords? Capricorn. Some of you is even rebuilding your empire here. Your finances. The Chariot reverse could be a Cancer. Success could be slow. There's Leo also. It's like you need to let go of the strength. Is that pressure I was telling you. You're putting to. It's okay to manifest things, but you need to allow the universe to give it back and bring it to you. You can't. When you relax, this is when things happen. Okay. Sometimes the hardest bit of manifestation, the hard bit, the hard part to do, the thing to do that is most difficult in manifesting your dreams and goals, it's to relax and wait for it. Okay. You really need to do that. Capricorn, the Six of Wands, this is recognition. You have an audience, you have recognition, you have a, well, you have a King of Cups again. Cancer especially, there's a Chariot there. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And the wheel is reversed. It's like it's not going well for them. You're not focusing on them. Maybe you like their attention, but you're not focusing on them. Or it's just not the right time. It may be that it's, yeah, that's you, Capricorn. It may be that it's just not the right time. Yes, you're avoiding this new beginning. You maybe cut them off, or you know, I do see lack of communication, and this creative project, that even the passion beginning that you had with this person is just, even if you just met someone and you got involved with them, it's like it's going to die down, like the passion. You really need to rebuild yourself here and show that you're in control. You show that you're in control, especially of your emotions. Yes. Five of Pentacles, coming out of feel left out in the cold. You will come out of feel left out in the cold. Is reversed, so some of you have someone that wants you to speak to them again, and then trying to manifest that. Capricorn, long distance, someone at long distance. Some of you, spiritual growth, karma. Okay, you're growing, you're releasing karmic situations. Someone wants to court you. If you are the courting man, there is a past life connection, someone that you've dated and has money. Okay, there's money, there is a business deal, long distance, someone spiritual. Fun times is your destiny. Dating, there's a fair male, he could be mature, good job. Obstacle could be, like I said, this commitment. The obstacle could be the open relationship. One of you is just, or you giving out that energy of just fun. I just want some fun. One of you is giving out this energy. But there is a potential for commitment, but you're giving out a that energy. And I think some of you, that they just come in your life for you to have some fun. So don't get attached because of maybe your wishes of wanting to be in a committed relationship, or even becoming or having children. Don't get attached to just anyone that is just passing, telling you to get out and have some fun. Don't feel like you can't achieve whatever you want by not enjoying the moment. It feels like you still rebuilding, on your way to achieve. You're actually ready to lead the relationship, it's telling you. So if you think that the person is not taking you serious, it's because you need to take it more serious yourself, okay? All the best, Capricorn. Thank you. Bye-bye.